Okay, so hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in this video, I want to show you how you can make money from NFT even without you knowing how to mint it yourself, okay? The name of the website I'm going to be showing you here is actually called QuantumApe, okay? Now this QuantumApe, they actually help you to earn money from NFT because I've been earning with them. I actually just joined them some about 4 days ago from the time of recording this video because my friend have been earning with this particular company for quite some time. When he introduced it to me, I didn't take it serious, but I actually just joined them about 4 days ago and I've started earning from them. So you can actually earn for free with them. If you come down here, if you click this home, you're going to come down, you can see this QuantumApe freedom. You don't have to pay anything for you to earn, to be able to mint and earn from this particular one, okay? But there are other ones where you can actually mint and begin to make money from them, okay? But before I do that, let me just quickly show you the money I've earned from them. You can see I've earned $14. I just joined them about 3 days ago. 3 to 4 days ago, I joined them and I've earned about 14 point, almost $15 here, right? You can see I joined them for 2 days, 3 days. I earned some money, so I decided to make withdrawal to be sure that the withdrawal is actually going through, okay? So if you come down here, you see I made withdrawal of $12, okay? Eventually, I got $11.64 after they must have taken that 3% fee out of it. So you see, I got paid and I made withdrawal and I got the withdrawal within seconds in my MetaMask, okay? So what you just need to do first and foremost is when you come to the home here, you connect your MetaMask, okay? You connect your MetaMask to the website. And if you want to really make money from this NFT website, okay, which is QuantumApeClub.com, I'm going to be dropping the link to the website right below this video. Just check the description of this video. The first link you're going to see there is the link to this website, okay? Now, the best part to earn from this particular website is you earn 5% if you decide to mint any of the paid NFTs, okay? You can see this one. This one is 50 BUS, okay? 50 BUSD. Okay, you can see this one is 150 BUSD. They have 500 BUSD down to 80,000 BUSD. Okay, you can see 80,000 BUSD. Now, for any of the NFT that you decide to mint, you'll be earning 5% of that total sum. Okay, like for this 550 BUSD, which is one of the collections I have here. You can see this this one here. This particular one is the 50, the Thunder. Yeah, the Thunder is the 50 BUSD worth of NFT. So every day I earn $2.5 on it, okay? And it's infinity. The beauty of it is that it's infinity. You keep earning this forever, okay? So you keep earning that money from it forever. If 5% of whichever of the NFT you buy, okay? So that's how you can easily make money from NFT. So you don't need to mint this by yourself. You don't need to go to OpenSea and begin to list your own NFT because you want to make money, okay? You can easily make money from this particular website, which I've been making money from, okay? And so my friend have been on this website for close to 2 months, okay? Because I was busy with other websites, I didn't pay attention to it, but I just decided to add it to my portfolio of earning sites, okay? So what you need to do is this: when you click that link below this video, you come up here and read their white paper, okay? There's a white paper to this website, so you just need to read the white paper and they get to understand everything about the website. Okay, just come down and read the white paper. And also remember, you can also earn through a referral, right? So if you come up here, there's after you must have connected your MetaMask, there's a link they're actually going to give you. It's actually a referral link. You share that link with your friends, your business associates, relatives, and each one of them that join, okay, now start minting the paid NFT, you'll be paid 10% BUSD, okay, of whichever of the NFT they actually come into mint. You'll be paid 10% of the NFT, okay? So it's a very straightforward website. Now, if you want to go to their Telegram channel, their Instagram, their Twitter, you can see the link just right below here. So let me just go to their Telegram channel. Let me show you something. You just click on this Telegram link here, okay? You click on that Telegram link, it's going to bring you here. right? You can see this is their Telegram group. So you just come here, you can see they have over 25,000 people in this group, right? Over 25 people in this group. So you just come in here, you get to join other members, hear what the community is saying, okay? So it's very necessary you actually join the Telegram group so that you get to understand everything. You can see over 25,000 people in here, right? So do yourself good by joining the Telegram group, okay? And you get to understand a whole lot of things about this particular project, okay? Like if you can see here, this is actually the breakdown of what you earn if you mint the paid NFT, okay? Okay, so just go ahead and click that link below the video and you get to understand everything. The withdrawal is very fast, okay? It's through your MetaMask, so there's no any kind of third-party interference or whatever, okay? It's through MetaMask. As soon as you click on withdrawal, it connects to your MetaMask and automatically you will be paid, okay? So I want to believe you got value from this video. Now, if you got value from this video, remember to give the video a thumbs up, right? And also remember to subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.